Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you what is my intro to the Deck of Panning Project Pan. It should be my first update, but I was not filming in January, so it is my intro. Because I do still want to do this project for this year, and I'm back to filming, so we're getting right on into it. This was created by Emily from Emily and Max, who will be listed in the description box down below. This goes from January 20th to December 20th of this year. You start with 5 products. It's rolling style, updates on the 20th of each month, and all you need to play is a deck of cards. So I use a Star Wars deck of cards. Make sure you have 1 Joker at least. If you want to be crazy, you can use more than 1, but we will get to the cards when we get to the cards. Let me get my notebook all opened up here to Deck of Panning. So, the game board. Emily shuffles the game board, the not the face cards, the number cards, 1 through 10 every month. The face cards stay the same. I will show you those when we get there, which we're there. But first, let me show you my cards. The Joker was right on the bottom. It's Majawa's, so I'm showing you that I have a Joker in here. I'm going to shuffle these cards while we go over the board. Because since this is my intro, there isn't really anything to update you on. Or anything like that. So, the face cards, which are on the screen right now. We have red and black, and these stay the same all year long. So, we have Pick Up 2, Plan to Pan, and if you don't know what a prompt stands for, then there's a prompts key that you can go to, and it will explain everything in more detail. The Joker, if you pull it, that is Are You Joking? That is to pan something that you don't necessarily want to pan, but you don't hate pan. So, for me, I don't love red lipstick, but I don't hate red lipstick. But that would be a hard goal for me to pan. So, like, that's something that I could do if I pulled the Joker. Now we're going to move on over to the board for this month, which I have not looked at yet. I'm showing you the board now. I'm seeing foundation, which would be cool. Cool tone. Matches shirt would be nice because I've got yellow and green and white and black. So matches shirt would be cool. Gifted spray. Pop culture is always a fun one for me because I like pulling stuff that's pop culture. We got wild card. Oh, the shame, which I've got a lot in my collection that is oh, the shame. I'm going to do this one more time. So, you have seen the board. If you don't know anything by now, any questions, leave them in the comments. I can answer them there, or I would direct you to Emily's intro video that I will try to remember to link, since this is my intro. So, we're going to cut the deck in half, and I'm going to pull the first 5 cards that are on top. So, are you kidding me? I mean, at least I got it in the very beginning. But the first card that I pull is the Joker. I might cry. I just came back to makeup. This is some bull. Desert Scavengers, yeah you are. I'm so mad. I need a drink of my coffee. I'm so upset about that. I don't even know what I'm going to pull because I'm not pulling a red lipstick. I'm still currently working on a red lipstick in a project that I can't seem to meet my goal on. Okay. It's okay. We could pull other things. So we got the red ace. We got Darth Vader over here. So the red ace is pick up 2. So we're going to pull the rest of our cards, but pick up, well, no. Let's pick up our 2 for him. So these are our 2. We got the 5 of clubs, which is a super battle droid. And the 6 of hearts, which is a storm pooper. So let's see, what are these? The 5 of clubs is metallic. And the 6 of hearts is matches shirt. Hey, I wanted that one, so that's nice. So we'll put those together. Then we got the 5 of hearts, which is a biker scout. 5 of hearts is favorite color, and my favorite color is orange. Burnt orange, to be exact. So I will pull something orange. Then we got, ooh, Garnadan. It's like a plague doctor. The 8 of diamonds, which is color, which I think is a random color generator, but I'll have to look. And our last card is the 2 of clubs, which is a Genosian soldier. He looks like a bug guy. And the 2 of clubs is wild card, which I'm going to have to look up what that is as well. So let's go to the prompts key. So what am I looking at? Wild card and so color is randomize a color. Choose a product based on shade or outer packaging. So we will randomize a color together in a moment. Wild card is pick anything you want. It's a free space. Okay, well that's nice. Considering I got the freaking Joker. So let me go to a random color generator. Color generator. Random color generator. So that's the color it was on, but we're going to generate a color, and I got Pearl Light Gray. Okay. Well, I took a screenshot of that. And I'm going to go pick all of my products, my 6 products, because I have an extra, and I will be right back. All right, I've got my products. We're going to start at the bottom at Wild Card and work our way up to Joker because I want to save the suspense. So, for Wild Card, I'm bringing in the Wet n Wild Fluffy Bronzer, and this is in the shade Beige Please. This is what it looks like. I've used it once, I used it today, and I really do like it. So we're gonna do usage goals on a random usage 1 through 10 for everything, obviously, but the Joker. My Joker product's going to be to finish. So, let's see. 6? Okay. 6 uses. So, for the color generator, I will have that here. I didn't have anything that color unless I went for an eyeshadow, and I don't want to work on an eyeshadow. I just don't. So, it's silver, but, like, it's close to gray. Like, It's as close to that color as I could get. It's the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax, and like the wax is grayish. It's white, but this is as close to that color as I could get in my collection without going for an eyeshadow. And I don't want to pull eyeshadow into this project. I just don't. So let's see how many times I have to use the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax. 3. 3 uses is easy peasy lemon squeezy. So this is for favorite color, which my favorite color is orange. So I pulled in, this is a Jeffree Star lipstick, which is obviously very, very orange. And I believe this is in the shade Tangerine Queen. It's just got a crown for the color. But I have it in my spreadsheet of what the color is, but I believe it's Tangerine Queen. But let's see how many uses I have to use this lipstick. 10! 10 is a bit rude. Alright, 10 uses on the orange lipstick. It is what it is. Next we have our Pick Up 2 products. So we're going to start with Match's Shirt, which I'm pulling in the yellow from the flowers, and I'm going with this Kaleidos highlight in Solar Sailor. It's a beautiful yellow gold. So let's see how many times we have to use that. 7. 7 uses. For metallic, I'm bringing in this eyeliner. As you can see, the lid is metallic. The writing on the eyeliner itself is metallic. But the eyeliner is actually a brown eyeliner. But I think there's some gold in it. But the packaging is metallic, and that is good enough for me. So we're going with this lava eyeliner, and I've got to use it 9 times. I mean, it is just a brown eyeliner, so we're going to be using a lot of brown eyeliner. And my Joker product is this Kulfi concealer. As you can see, there's already windowing a crap ton. There's a bunch of windowing in the words, but there's windowing here, there's windowing up here. There's a bunch of windowing in this concealer already. So it's the Kulfi concealer. It's the Main Match concealer in Bad Badam is my shade. I love this concealer. It's a beautiful serum concealer. I love it. It's gorgeous. It's one of the best things that BoxyCharm, back when it was BoxyCharm, has gotten for me. But I would love to finish this, to actually finish this. So, Kulfi concealer finish. So we'll see how many uses that takes. I left 2 lines in my notebook for that. I am currently working on a concealer in another project. I have 8 uses on it, and I'm already halfway there. So I'm probably going to finish my uses on that concealer before I even start working on this. So I might not even have any uses on this for you for the next update. But then after that, this will be the only concealer I use for probably the rest of the year. Which is kind of crappy because that's neglecting my other concealers, but this is a serum concealer. It does have skincare in it, and it needs to be used up before it goes bad. So I'm okay with getting that out of my collection. So those are the 6 products. I love that I rolled in 6. That is also my luck. I get the Joker. I get 6 products. That is everything that I'm rolling in for my intro. I am so excited to be participating in this again. I can't wait to watch your guys' videos. I haven't even watched anyone's intros yet because I just haven't been watching YouTube. But please, I hope you enjoyed. That's going to do it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.